Ever heard someone say, as a last resort? Yeah, this expression is crucial when talking about final options or emergency solutions. Today, you're mastering this phrase plus learning about natural problem solving conversations in English. Let's jump in. Part 1. Listening Practice. Listen to this conversation about solving a sleep problem. I haven't been sleeping well lately. I feel exhausted all the time. Have you tried listening to calming music before bedtime? Yes, but it doesn't really help much. What about doing some light stretching exercises? That actually makes me feel more awake, not sleepy. I tried that as well. Nothing seems to work. Maybe you should consult a sleep specialist. I'm hesitant about taking sleeping pills, though. Medication should only be a last resort, but specialists offer many other solutions, like sleep hygiene tips. You're right. Perhaps I should schedule an appointment. Definitely a good idea. Quality sleep is essential for health. Thanks, Chris. Hopefully, I'll find a solution soon. I'm confident you will. Part 2. Vocabulary time. Let me explain today's key expressions. First, sleepy. This means feeling tired and wanting to sleep. Example, after lunch, I always feel sleepy. Next, as a last resort. This means the final option when everything else fails. Like if the car won't start, calling a mechanic is our last resort. Then, essential. This means absolutely necessary or extremely important. For instance, drinking water is essential for survival. Also, consult. To seek advice or information from an expert. Example, you should consult a lawyer about that contract. Finally, sleep hygiene. Habits and practices that promote good sleep quality. Like, good sleep hygiene includes avoiding screens before bed. Grammar tip. In the sentence, maybe I'll talk to one, the word one replaces specialist to avoid repetition. We use one when the noun is already understood. More examples. I lost my umbrella. I need to buy a new one. That pizza looks delicious. I want one too. Oh, and repetition is key. Watch this multiple times and practice aloud. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Answer these questions out loud. Does Sarah sleep well at night? No, she doesn't. She hasn't been sleeping well. What did Chris suggest first? Listening to calming music before bed. Did music help Sarah? No, it didn't help much. What else did Chris suggest? Doing light stretching exercises. Did stretching make Sarah sleepy? No, it made her feel more awake. Who did Chris recommend Sarah see? A sleep specialist. Does Sarah want to take sleeping pills? No, she's hesitant about medication. What did Chris say about medication? It should only be a last resort. What else can specialists offer? Sleep hygiene tips and other solutions. Did Sarah agree to see someone? Yes, she said she'd schedule an appointment. What did Chris say about sleep? It's essential for health. What does Sarah hope for? To find a solution soon. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Repeat after each speaker with natural rhythm. I haven't been sleeping well lately. I feel exhausted all the time. Yes, but it doesn't really help much. I tried that as well. Nothing seems to work. I'm hesitant about taking sleeping pills, though. You're right. Perhaps I should schedule an appointment. Thanks, Chris. Hopefully, I'll find a solution soon. Have you tried listening to calming music before bedtime? What about doing some light stretching exercises? Maybe you should consult a sleep specialist. Medication should only be a last resort, but specialists offer many other solutions like sleep hygiene tips. Definitely a good idea. Quality sleep is essential for health. I'm confident you will. Excellent work today. As a last resort is perfect for discussing backup plans and final options. Use it when describing emergency solutions or when all other attempts have failed. It shows you understand priorities and problem-solving strategies. Practice this expression until it's automatic. Watch this video daily. And remember, learning vocabulary in context makes it stick forever. I'm Vey from English Mastery Podcast. Keep learning these practical phrases, stay persistent, and your English will become naturally fluent. See you next time. Keep growing.